Okay, so today we're doing the GoPro helmet front and side mounts. I've got an extra one here for the other side. I'm going to open these to start with. I already had that pre-opened from the unboxing video, so if you didn't see that, go check it out. The link's in the description. So here are the 3 adhesive mounts that we're going to be mounting today, and these are the clips that we're going to use later on when we actually use them in the helmet. So I'm going to start by placing the helmet on its side here and having an assistant hold the helmet so that it stays sturdy while I place the adhesive mounts on top of the sides of the helmet and the front as well. So we'll start by peeling the backing off the adhesive mount. Now I've also cleaned my helmet in preparation for this, and I've drawn little markings where I've pre-placed the adhesive mounts so I know where I'm going to place it, and this will help me with a better view when the camera is placed there. So I'm just going to hover over the top and use my hands to precision mount it inside the lines I drew before. And then I'm going to place a clamp onto it in the center. And make sure it's on there tight. I'm happy with that one, so now we're going to move to the front. Again, remove the adhesive backing and hover over where you want the mount to go. And then apply another clamp. I'm happy with that one, and now we're going to do the third and final one. Alright, I'm happy with that. So now we're just going to leave the helmet for 24 to 48 hours, depending on how it goes, and then we'll be able to use it. Alright, so I have left the clamps on for 48 hours now. I'm going to remove them and just check that the clips are placed where I expected them to be and that they're sitting well. So I'm pretty happy with that, and you can see that this clip can be used on the front. Like that. And this clip can be used on the side. And then you can rotate this front and back. And if that's a little bit too close, you can also flip this around. And it's slightly higher, but you can then push it a bit further. and then the backwards angle then suffers from that problem. So depending on which way around you want the camera to be, that might be more ideal or not. And obviously you get the opposite thing happening on that side. So those are the two mount options that you get with the front and side helmet mount. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want more videos in the future. Thank you.